me step in some good light. That's good light. Since everybody seemed to appreciate the wholesome Ma and Pa content that me and Kat created the other day, figured we'd do it again. Quentin's still in Arizona visiting Michaela, and tonight is Cars and Cigars, which is apparently a really big car meet that we've never been to. Never even heard of it until...
Cool people are going.
Yeah, a lot of cool people are going. Right now, stirring up some fries. Oh shit. Chilling with little Herm Dog. We're about to eat dinner and watch Hereditary because Kat's never seen it. And then some homies are gonna show up and we're gonna go to the car meet. Oh, he fucking. Oh, he fucking. How was Hereditary, Kat?
It was good. It was really spooky.
Was it spooky?
It really was spooky.
Okay.
Yo! I think this thing around town. I rock with this. I like this. I like it a lot.
Where should I go?
I hear the whole block is full.
Okay. Sorry.
We done it. We made it.
We made it.
There's no parking, so we parked on the street. Starlet's so cool.
Oh yeah. One more. There we go. Good.
This is Kat's home, she says. She's in Toyota Alley right now. This is fucking crazy.
That's what I was wondering.
He did not see us. What's this out of?
It's out of an 83 Mercedes 300 CD.
Okay, that's fucking so cool, dude. How you make that up to the Trans?
It's a stock tranny, so it's the Mercedes.
Oh, from the Mercedes, okay.
So it's 4-speed automatic.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
What's up? Hi. My car, I parked out on the street.
That's where we parked in front of you.
Oh, okay. So Jane Austen just showed up.
Alright, I went from work to my house to his house straight here.
Cool. Well, after this, we get to go to my house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Man, this thing's fucking awesome. It's beautiful.
Nice.
Nice. Oh, this thing's wacky.
Even though I do have.
Like every other phone. He like rewired it and...
It's a honker.
Had to run away from her dad. Yeah, that was the key point. They were butt naked in there.
The Integra? Yeah, I just like J France.
Yes, Felix.
Are you cool with being in the video?
Yeah.
Right on. Felix, you
I watch you guys
said?
all the time.
Hell yeah.
I just Snapchat Quentin when you guys rolled in, and I was like, yo.
Mind being in the video?
Oh yeah, sure.
Sorry, a little left hand pump right there.
Okay.
How's it going? What's your name?
David.
David? Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
we
Oh,
met.
okay. What the fuck?
When that Quentin's car is like gray still. On the,
Oh, yeah.
On the white diamonds.
Way back. So there's a whole bunch of officials out here just telling people not to do burnouts and skid around the corner. The problem is there's nobody down the road, so it doesn't stop them for too long. Oh yeah! Alright, so we've been talking to these Corolla people for a while. Well, Corolla and Starlit people, sorry. Toyota people. And this whole time I didn't know they knew the channel. So like, what's that? You guys want to like shout out your Instagrams or something? Gavin.Vidalin.
Mine's daily driving.
Up your hood.
Corolla here, and then Starlit over there. Hell yeah, right on. Just Toyota things. Budget Denof is here.
Hello, I am here.
This is Travis, he drives a Q45 if you don't know.
No, hold on. Now I'm Chelsea.
Oh, Chelsea.
You know what? Drove up like couple skirt, e-brake, but only e-brake though.
Yeah.
No big.
Yeah, no.
Hell yeah, brother.
Sparks. Yeah! Oh, that was my favorite one so far. Fuck, I love those. Holy shit.
He said, I swear I've done this before.
Oh shit, oh shit! I'm gonna have to blur a lot of license plates. It is the next day. We made it back safe. Nobody did a skid into my face. How's the meat, Kat?
It was good. Met some really cool people, some good Corolla people. Some guy there talked a lot and taught me how to fix my heater, so that's cool.
Oh, really? Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dale was tight. We met a lot of really sick people, and so many people came up and said hi, and it was really cool. I didn't film all of them, but they're super nice.
Yeah,
it was really cool. Yeah, it was a good meet, like not as much like crazy shit as I expected to see, but it was definitely big. What do you fucking ding-dongs think about it? Yeah, that's about right.
Louis V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy can. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah, I have way push, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a water paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo up count. How many do you got? Bitch, you know I can't count. I just dropped a rack on a couple new rack mounts, so I could put some racks on my racks. Watch me ball out. Money nose kid with the Sudafed flow. Talk a lot of shit, but it's all love though. Luka X kicked the beat, yeah, he set that shit to Wumbo. First grade SpongeBob, now we going Dumbo. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a water paper all